In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify order shipping issues. If your checkout isn't showing shipping options, is charging the wrong rates, or you're seeing messages like this order can't be shipped to your address, follow along and we'll work through a clean checklist to get things back on track. Start with your product weights because most shipping rules depend on them. In your Shopify admin, open products, select the affected item, and scroll to the shipping section. Make sure it's marked as a physical product and that a realistic weight is entered in the correct unit. An empty or wildly inaccurate weight can cause rates to vanish or calculate incorrectly. Next, verify your shipping zones. Go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery, and open your shipping profile. Confirm the customer's country or region is included in one of your shipping zones. If it's missing, add it so Shopify knows where you're willing to ship. Now, review the shipping rates inside that zone. There must be at least one valid rate for the destination. You can use a flat rate, free shipping, or carrier calculated rates. If you use conditions based on weight or order value, make sure there are no gaps. For example, if one rate ends at 2 pounds and the next starts above 2 pounds, orders weighing exactly 2 pounds won't match anything. Confirm product availability and locations. Open the product again and make sure inventory is available. Then verify that the inventory location is included in your shipping profile. If the stock sits at a location that doesn't ship to the customer's country, no rate will appear. Check your shipping profiles overall. If the product is assigned to a custom profile, ensure that profile has proper zones and rates. Products without matching profile rates won't be able to ship. If you use Shopify markets, head to Settings, then Markets, and confirm the destination country is part of an active market. Test checkout to validate your changes. Add the product to cart, proceed to checkout, and enter a shipping address in the affected country. You should now see the correct options. For live carrier rates, verify in Settings, Shipping and Delivery that your carrier account is connected and active, and that your plan supports carrier calculated shipping. If you use third-party shipping apps, temporarily disable them, test again, and re-enable one by one to find conflicts. If everything looks right but shipping still fails, contact Shopify support. Common messages decoded. This order can't be shipped to your address usually means the destination isn't in your zones or no rate matches. No shipping rates found often points to missing weight or unmet rate conditions. Unexpected costs typically come from incorrect product weights or misconfigured flat rates. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.